Okay, so 2118. So control minus. Then I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle. So its distance from the contacts is 9. Okay, so 9 pixels. Okay, so I'm just going to, let me first move these ones. Okay, so alt. Okay, so 9, I'm going to move it down so I get 9. Okay, 9. Okay, then the color is white, so change to white. I think there's an A, so an A, let me see the size, 14 pixels, no need to normal. Okay, so 14 pixels, no need to normal. So let's use this rather, Control C, Control V. I'll put it inside. Okay, so right click, arrange, and then bring to front. And let me send this to back. Right click on the shape here, and then send to back. Okay, so send to back is going to take a long, so I'll just send this. I rather use send backward, so let's use send to back. Okay. Okay, so now it's in front of it. So A. So an A here is 20. Lesson is what? It's 14 normal. So let's change it to 14. 14 normal. So I'll use regular. Okay. Alright, let's make it bold. Okay, I'm going to make it bold, semi-bold. Okay, so semi-bold is okay. So our distance should be 9. Let's center it first. So let me just move this guy. Okay, so in order to center our alphabet here, I'm going to have to just highlight it. So click this and then click on the shape. Okay, so multi-select it. Then we are going to use the align vertical centers. Okay, so you can see now it's centered. Then I'm going to move it to the edge. Okay, let's see. Okay, so some few pixels. Okay. Okay, so this is our alphabet. And then let me see. Okay, so this is quite okay. And let me check. Okay, so yeah, it's at the edge. Then let's see the distance now. So now the distance for this alphabet to this box, okay, or this shape. Okay, so let's do that. It's 5 pixels. So let me just highlight this and then hold Alt and then check. Okay, so we use 53. So let's take it up. Okay, with the help of the up arrow key, I'm going to take it up. So reach 5. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and then let's preview it and see. Okay, so interesting. So now we'll check. So we have to do, okay, so I'm just going to duplicate it. Let me just duplicate this. Control C, Control V. Then I'm just going to bring it down. First, let me check the distance. Okay, so let me see here. So 10. So I'm going to do that here too should be 10. So Alt. So it's 27. So let's do it 10. Okay. Then from there we have the B. Okay, so B. So as usual, we are just going to multi-select this, or I can even group it. Okay, so let me just group these two. Okay, so they are highlighted group, then Control C, Control V. Then I'm going to bring it down. Then I'll change here to B. To B. Okay. Then I'll check the distance. Okay, so let's check the distance here. Okay, so there seems to be no gap. They're just closed. Okay. So let's just take it up. Okay, and then just Control C, Control V this, then bring it down. Oh, what happened? Delete it. Okay, so this seems to be close. Okay, so we are just going to be joining them together. Okay, then we'll do that for this guy too. Control C, Control V, take it down. Let me see the distance. Okay, if you notice, you would see that we actually haven't picked the shape. Okay, the entire shape, but it's not an issue. We can just still use our eyes to gauge. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. Control C, Control V. Then let me check here. We don't have the divider, so we'll just do that of the divider. Okay, so with the divider, just Control C, Control V this, and then I'm going to bring it down. It should be just some distance. Okay, so this should be okay. If I should check, let me take it up small. Okay, then I'll do Control C, Control V, take it down. So this okay, and then let's check from here and see. Okay, so just two of them. So A, B, do we have C? So just A and B. So 1, 2, 3. So B, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now what I would have to do is the floating action button, and then we are done. So the floating action button. So I think there's C here. Okay. So with the C, we can just Control C, Control V, then bring them down. Oh, it's not that. Let's just delete it. We'll just do that of the floating action button. So I'm going to bring it here. Then I'll way. Okay, if we preview it, okay, so that should be it. We are not going to add this color. Okay, we are not going to do the same like the coloring. Okay, just leave it this way, and then that should be it for our final projects. Okay, so thank you for watching, and remember to change the names accordingly. Okay, so thank you.